This is a magnificent cuckoo clock made by Johann Beha. And this is definitely one of the most exotic cuckoo clocks in our collection. See, the clock has a beautifully carved case with fruit and berry. But what really makes this clock special is all the exotic complications that it has. The first thing is this clock, you notice, has a life-size exposed cuckoo bird that sits on the upper pediment. He's just a touch under 11 inches long from beak to tail. He's carved from wood with carved feathers, and it retains all of its original paint. This clock also has what's called an echo complication. So the clock uses 4 pipes, 2 which eject the sound outside the case, and then 2 which eject the sound inside the case, and it creates a very unique cuckoo call with a silent, or softened, call that echoes after the first. The clock also has what's called natural call pipes. You can see looking there, the pipes are round and they're turned on a lathe. And that's a very rare exotic complication in and of itself on a Beha, and it produces a very realistic call. The last thing this clock has is the movement has a massive solid brass plate movement, which was an upgrade over the traditional wood plate movement offered by the firm. So the clock is a life-size exposed cuckoo echo with natural pipes and a massive solid brass plate movement. Set it off here and you can hear it. We're always looking to add exotic cuckoo clocks to our collection. If you have a clock that has a feature that's unusual, we would love to hear from you. And you can check out our website, which is blackforestclocks.org, for more information on rare and unusual Black Forest clocks. We also want to direct your attention to our new book, titled Rare and Unusual Black Forest Clocks, which showcases over a dozen cuckoo clocks with life-size birds, echoes, and all the miscellaneous rare and unusual complications.